Story: The Princess Who Could Talk to Birds. In the beautiful kingdom of Sun Valley, there lived a gentle and kind princess named Meera. Unlike other princesses, Meera didn't enjoy fancy dresses or royal parties. She loved birds. Every morning she would visit the palace garden, where birds of all colors came to sing. She listened so carefully that, over time, something magical happened. She could understand and talk to them. The birds became her friends. The sparrows told her village news, the crows warned her of dangers, and the parrots made her laugh with their jokes. Meera kept her gift a secret, fearing others might not understand. One day, the kingdom faced trouble. The crops began to dry, and no one knew why. The royal ministers were clueless, and the farmers grew worried. That night, a small dove flew to Princess Meera and whispered, "A dam in the mountains is blocked by stones. The river can't reach your fields." The next morning, Meera told her father, King Raghav, what the dove had said. The king was surprised but trusted his daughter. He sent his men to the mountains, and it was true. They removed the stones, and the river flowed again. The crops were saved. The people cheered. "Princess Meera is magical." From then on, Meera was called the Princess of Birds, and she became the most loved member of the royal family, not because of her crown, but because of her kind heart and ability to listen. Moral of the story: listening with kindness can reveal hidden truths. Even the smallest voices matter.